Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Minecraft full screen on your PC or laptop. Now, at first, what you have to do is just physically go onto your keyboard, and in the top layer of the keyboard, search for the function keys, which is the F1, F2, etc. keys. Now search for it, and make sure you have F11 there. And if you have F11, just go ahead and click on it, and your game should be full screened. But if your F11 doesn't work, what you have to do is find the function key on your keyboard if it's a laptop, then click on the function key, then as well as clicking the function key, click the F key as well. That means function and F11 together. And after doing that, your game should be full screen. And if you don't have the function keys, or if that doesn't work for you, what you have to do is just click on escape. This will take you to the game settings. From here, click on options. From options, just click on video settings. Now, if you see a scroll bar, just scroll down. And if you don't, just click on other. From here, you'll see an option called full screen. Just click it. And your game should be set to full screen. Click on done. Click on done again. Click on done. Click on back to game. And basically that is how to make your Minecraft full screen on your laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.